Friends, today we are going to see the different types of welding position. So in ASME section 9, the different types of welding position for plate and pipe is given. For plate, figure QW461.3 gives the different types of position for groove welds in plate. That is page number 182. And for different types of weld position for groove weld in pipe is given in figure number QW461.4, page number 182. Then the different types of welding position for plates in fillet weld is given in figure QW461.5. Also, fillet weld in pipe test position is given in 461.6. So we can see one by one. First, 1G position. 1G position, you can see the figure now. 1G position, that is known as flat position. So in the flat position, the plate will be in horizontal direction, horizontal position. So the groove of the weld will be in horizontal direction. So the weld will be made on the groove by moving the electrode in horizontal position. Okay, here the axis of the plate is in horizontal direction and weld axis also in the horizontal position. So this is known as 1G position. So here the weld will be made on the groove. So that's why it is called as 1G. In 1F position, the electrode movement is same. That is in horizontal direction. The electrode will be moved in the horizontal direction, but the weld will be made on the fillet joint. So there will not be any groove. So if the weld made on the fillet joint, that is known as 1F. That is flat position. So second one is 2G position. 2G position. You can see this is a diagram for 2G position. So in the 2G position, the plate will be in vertical position. Okay, the plate will be in vertical position. Now you can see the figure. The plate surface is vertical. The groove axis is in horizontal direction. You can see the groove axis is in horizontal direction. So the weld will be made by moving the electrode in the horizontal direction. Okay, the weld will be made by moving the electrode in the horizontal direction. So this is known as 2G position, that is horizontal position. If the same weld made on the fillet weld, that is known as 2F position. Here you can see the diagram. The weld is made on the fillet joint. So this is known as 2F position. The difference is in 1G position, the plate will be in horizontal direction. In 2G position, the plate will be in vertical position. Okay, this is the difference between 1G and 2G. Next, 3G position. In 3G position, the plate surface will be vertical. You can see the plate surface is vertical. The groove axis is also vertical. You can see the groove axis is vertical, the plate surface is vertical. In 3G position, there is two varieties are there. One is 3G uphill position, another one is 3G downhill position. Uphill means the electrode will be moved from bottom to top, like this. The electrode will be moved from bottom of the groove to top of the groove. So this is known as uphill position. Downhill position means the electrode will be moved from the top to bottom. So the electrode will be moved from top to bottom. So this is known as downhill position. 3F means same. The movement of the electrode will be in vertical axis. So, but the weld will be made on the fillet joint. So here also uphill and downhill positions are there. Next, 4G position. In 4G position, In 4G position, the plate will be in horizontal axis. Also the groove also will be in horizontal axis. You can see the plate that is in horizontal direction and the groove is in horizontal direction. But the difference is the groove will be at the bottom of the plate. You can see the groove is at the bottom of the plate. So the welder will make the weld from the bottom of the plate. That is, he will make the weld above his head. So it is known as overhead position. So this is known as 4G position. In 4F position, the weld will be made in overhead position in the fillet joint. That is known as 4F position. So these are the different types of weld position in plate welding. Similarly, the weld positions are classified for pipe welding also. There is 4 positions. They are one G, 2G, 5G and 6G. In 1G position, the pipe axis will be in horizontal direction, but the pipe will rotate. Pipe will rotate its own axis. So the welder will hold the electrode permanently at the top of the pipe. So in 1G position, the pipe will be rotated, the electrode will be fixed at the top of the pipe. This type of welding known as 1G position. In 2G position, the pipe axis will be in vertical position. In 2G, the pipe axis will be vertical. So the groove will be in horizontal direction. You can see the groove that is in horizontal direction. So here the pipe is fixed. The pipe will not rotate. Welder will move his torch in the horizontal direction. So this is known as 2G position. Next, 5G position. In 5G position, that axis of the pipe will be in horizontal direction, same as in 1G, but here the pipe will not be rotated. The pipe is fixed. The welder will move his electrode around the pipe. The welder will move the electrode around the pipe. So this is known as 5G position. If a welder qualified on 5G and 2G position, he is qualified to make the weld on all position. Because in 5G position, the welder will make the weld at the top side in flat position, and here he will make the weld in vertical position, and at the bottom he will make the weld in overhead position. So here he covers 3 positions: flat, vertical and overhead position. Then in 2G he covers flat horizontal position. So if the welder qualified for 2G and 5G position, he can make weld in all position. Next, 6G position. 6G position, the pipe is fixed at a 45-degree incline. The pipe is fixed at a 45-degree incline. So the pipe will not rotate here. So the welder will move the electrode around the pipe. He will move the electrode around the pipe.